Hello viewers, here this is my YouTube channel. Please all viewers subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Today we discuss make money on Amazon in 2022, 15 top methods. If you are worried that you have missed to e-commerce boat, don't worry, it's just getting moving. While several e-commerce companies like eBay, Shopify, Walmart and Etsy can make selling products on online easy. In my experience, the best way to make money online is the Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e-commerce. In 2020, Amazon ranked in $386 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by third-party sales. Number first is sell your own private label products on Amazon. The best way to make money on Amazon in 2022 is still through private label sales using Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon FBA network. Around 67% of all Amazon sellers run their business using the private label method. Private label is a process of manufacturing a pre-existing item, preferably with product improvements, putting your brand and logos on it and selling it to consumers. Sometimes it is referred to as white labeling or brand creation. Next is how much money can I make selling private label products on Amazon? Approximately $625 to $1,875 per month per product. Over half, 56% of private label sellers earn $5,000 or more in monthly sales, and nearly two-thirds have profit margins over 16%. Among private label sellers who have more than a year of selling experience, 20% have earned over $10,000 in lifetime profits. Next, number 2 is publish your own book on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to publish your own book on Amazon. In addition to digital format, you can print actual copies of your book too. Next is how much money can I make writing for KDP? KDP basically show Kindle Direct Publishing. I have heard that some authors make as much as $40,000 per month. These writers, however, tend to be prolific and write topically to gain notice. Next is how can I learn how to make money on Amazon with KDP? While I don't know of any specific course I trust for teaching this particular method, I do trust them. And coincidentally, the series Entrepreneur wrote an interesting article on how to become a Kindle millionaire. Next, number 3 is sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Similar to private label, selling wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to sell using Amazon FBA network. Next is how much money can I make selling wholesale goods on Amazon? While wholesaling on Amazon has become notoriously more difficult in the last few years, it's still a great way to earn money. Note that is not a lot far more competitive than the private label market, since you shall likely be sharing the buy box with other resellers, so it can sometimes be race to the bottom on prices, where the only lever sellers have to compete with each other is through lowering in the price relative their competitors. Next, number 4 is deliver goods for Amazon. By now, you are probably know that Amazon has its own delivery service, but did you know that you can join Amazon delivery fleet as a driver? Amazon Flex program allows you to do just that. All you have to do is answer a quick questionnaire, download their app, and if you are accepted, you start making money. Why we earn money? How much money can I make on Amazon working as a flex driver? Approximately $100 plus per day. According to the Flex homepage, Amazon pays drivers between $18 to $25 per hour, and shifts are typically 5 hours long. I have also read stories that even if drivers finish their shifts early, they still get compensated for the entire 5 hours. Not a bad deal for $100 per plus per day. Number 5 is become a blogger. Similarly, number 6 is flip store bought products with retail arbitrage. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please all viewers subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.